Welcome to Future Cars Update, your go-to channel for the latest news and in-depth reviews on upcoming cars and bikes. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of Renault and explore one of their most anticipated releases, the 2025 Renault. Packed with innovation, style, and performance, Renault is once again pushing the boundaries of what we expect from modern cars. Renault has long been known for its blend of European design with practical engineering, and the 2025 model seems set to carry on that tradition with some thrilling new updates. Let's start by looking at the overall design. Renault has taken a bold step forward with its design vis-a-vis for the 2025 model. So the exterior is sleek and futuristic with sharp lines and a more aerodynamic shape compared to its predecessors. The front grille is more prominent with the Renault diamond logo sitting proudly in the middle, symbolizing the brand's strong identity. The LED headlamps are sleek and adaptive, offering greater visibility and a striking look, especially at night. Moving to the side, the profile is smooth and fluid, giving the car an elegant yet sporty appearance. The large alloy wheels and lower stance enhance its road presence. You'll also notice some modern detailing along the door lines and rear section, which add a dynamic edge to its aesthetics. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Renault has equipped the 2025 model with multiple engine options. The base variant comes with a highly efficient turbocharged 1.3-liter engine, perfect for everyday driving with a balance of power and fuel economy. But for those seeking more excitement, Renault offers a 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain that delivers performance while keeping emissions low, which aligns with Renault's goal of sustainable mobility. One of the highlights of the 2025 Renault is the inclusion of advanced hybrid technology. This model incorporates a plug-in hybrid system, combining the efficiency of electric power with the reliability of a combustion engine. The hybrid version offers an all-electric range of around 50 kilometers, perfect for city driving and reducing your carbon footprint. Inside, Renault has stepped up the game with a cabin that exudes comfort and sophistication. The dashboard features a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with smartphones via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, providing the driver with key information like speed, fuel efficiency, and navigation without distracting from the road. Comfort isn't just about technology, though. Renault has used premium materials throughout the cabin, ensuring a luxurious experience for both the driver and passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed and available with heating and cooling options, making this car an excellent choice for long drives. When it comes to safety, Renault has packed the 2025 model with advanced features. From adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance to autonomous emergency braking and a 360-degree camera, this car is engineered to provide maximum protection for you and your passengers. It's clear that Renault is committed to making driving safer and more convenient. In conclusion, the 2025 Renault embodies the perfect blend of modern design, cutting-edge technology, and eco-conscious engineering. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or sustainability, this model ticks all the boxes. Stay tuned for more updates on the 2025 Renault and other exciting releases in the automotive world. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Cars Updates for more reviews and insights into the cars of tomorrow. Thanks for watching.